Namaste friends, I hope you are doing fine. What happens when I copy data from a PDF file to Microsoft Excel? Let me demonstrate with an example. I have this sample PDF file which contains a table of data. I will select the table and press Ctrl plus C on the keyboard to copy it onto the clipboard. Then I navigate to Microsoft Excel and press Ctrl plus V after selecting cell B2. There you go. The result is not what I had expected. The table got reduced to a single line of data. I am Subhojit and I welcome you to this exciting session where I will demonstrate an alternative to copy and pasting data from PDF files. Before we proceed, you can help boost my confidence. Please like the video if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Share the video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need a PDF file. It can be a bank statement or a company quarterly report or a receipt, etc. You can even download sample PDF files from the web and try this simple technique. Second, we need the location of the PDF file. In this example, it is in a folder named PDF sample within the downloads folder on my laptop. Third, we need Microsoft Office 365 version or any older version which is equipped with Power Query. On older versions of the Office software, Power Query can be installed as an add-in. Let's switch over to the Excel window. We will click on the Data menu in Excel. Then we click on Get Data. In that we click on From File and select from PDF. In this bar has the correct location of the PDF file. Then we select the file name in the list of contents and click on Import. Power Query will establish a connection with the file and display the contents on the navigator window. In this PDF file, we have one page and one table. If there are multiple pages and multiple tables in the PDF file, they will be numbered accordingly and displayed over here. We are interested in the table 1 on page 1. The moment we click on it, it gives a preview of the data that it has fetched from the PDF file. This looks good. Now I'll click on the load button. The data will be published onto the Excel sheet in a table format, and the query will be listed in the right hand side under Queries and Connections section. As you can see, Power Query has simplified the way in which we can extract data from a PDF file onto an Excel worksheet. It also maintains the format, which saves our time reformatting the data post extraction. I hope this video added another tool to your data analysis toolkit. We will meet again in another exciting video very soon. Stay tuned, bye bye, and take care.